So our company name is I2RD, which is short for Interactive Information Research and Development. Nebraska actually provided a great environment for us to actually grow here. We were actually recruited to move to multiple other states, but we really came back again to the core values of our great talent here, our great people, the cost of building the business, and just the growth opportunities. We have clients all over the U.S. who travel nationally, and when I'm in with clients and we say we're from Nebraska, it's not what you think people would say. They're quite impressed. They actually know what's going on with the state. They actually know the great successful companies coming out of the state, who's headquartered here, who's growing here, that there's an innovation movement. So it is being resonated on a national level too, which only helps us grow, which is great. But we see it completely staying here in the state of Nebraska, growing it, probably growing out of our offices into its own space as it continues to grow. But really, a lot of the value of it has been our Nebraska values.